Irwin Data Intelligence Suite, working with Mapping Manager, managing mapping specifications. Managing mapping specifications involves branching and merging mappings, deleting mappings and mapping specification rows, and viewing workflow logs. Getting started with Mapping Manager. Click on the tile bar icon to access Irwin Data Intelligence Suite modules. Go to Data Catalog. Select Mapping Manager. You can create source-to-target mappings with Mapping Manager module. Branching and merging mappings. Branching a mapping means copying the mapping and pasting it in another subject area or project. The copied mapping acts as a child map and the original map is called the parent map. Go to the Workspace Mappings pane and right-click the required map. Click on Copy Map and select Copy Selected or Copy All option. Right-click on Mappings pane and select Paste Map option. The Mail Comments page appears. Enter the mail comments and click on Save. After making the required changes in a child map, you can merge it with a parent mapping. You can also notify project users about the merge through email notifications. Right-click on the mapping and select Merge Mapping option. The Merge Map page appears. Click Next. Hold the Shift key and select multiple mappings to merge from selected projects. Click Next. The Merge Map page appears, showing the changed data with respect to the parent map. There are two options to include the changes. Overwrite existing version to replace the existing version, and create new version to create a new version of the parent map. Click Save. Delete mappings. You can delete multiple maps in a project or delete all versions of a map. Under the Workspace Mappings pane, select a map or maps. Use the Shift key to select multiple maps. The Delete Selected Mappings list page appears. To remove mapping from the current selection, click on Cancel. To delete all versions of the maps, select All Versions and click on the Delete button. To delete current versions of the maps, select Current Version and click on the Delete button. Deleting mapping specification rows. You can delete single or multiple rows in a mapping specification grid. Click on Edit Specification icon. To delete, select single or multiple rows in the mapping specification grid using the Shift key to select multiple rows. Click on Delete Rows icon. Viewing workflow logs. Default workflow is applicable to all the projects in the Mapping Manager. You can create your own workflow and assign it to a project by overriding the existing workflow. Under the Workspace Mappings pane, select a map. Click on the Workflow Log tab. To view users and comments, hover over a stage. To view users and roles assigned to all the stages, click Expand Users and Roles. To download the workflow log image, click Export Image. That's it. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit irwin.com.